So I think everything that you do, especially when cooking, it has to come from the soul. Here you're gonna get your greens, yams, beans, cornbread, steaks, chicken wings, loaded fries. You know, I'm gonna give them something that they haven't seen, a good southern cook. Tony was absolutely the best. A text, phone call away. I had so many situations to come up. When I say she was there from 100 to 100, nice. 100 to 100. I give her and her staff and her team 1,000 all the way through. I'm very excited. I'm just filled with joy. Words can't even explain right now. I'm just ready to go when I get in that kitchen and put my love in that kitchen. I'm just ready.